So here are all my lipsticks. I don't use most of them, and some of these are expired. So I'm gonna try to get rid of most of them and hopefully keep only 10 lipsticks or less. We'll have to see. In this cup we have my most used lipsticks. First we have this 3CE Nudish Orange lipsticks. It's a really nice orange and it makes me happy. It sparks joy when I wear it, so I'm gonna keep this one. Next, I have 3 of these Revlon Super Lustrous Creme lipsticks. First, we have the shade Rose Velvet. This is my go-to color for fall and winter. I do use it a lot, so I'm gonna keep this one. Next, the shade Toast of New York. This is an orangey red. I use this fairly often and I do like this color. It's a little bit similar to MAC Chili and I'm probably not ever gonna buy it. So I'm gonna keep this one. It makes your complexion look really bright. And the third shade is Sandalwood Beige. I don't use this one that often. It's a nudish peachy orange. Yeah, honestly, I don't use it that often. When I want to go for an orange lip, I usually just go for this one. Well, these in comparison, the 3CE is a little bit deeper than the Revlon, so I'm gonna keep the 3CE and get rid of the Revlon. Actually, no, it's gonna go in the maybe. Next, this is Toasted Truffle from Maybelline. Honestly, I'm not a huge fan of the formula. It's pretty dry. Maybe. And this is the Peri Pera Airy Ink Velvet in number 8. It's yet another nudish red. It doesn't look nude in camera, but it's a bit brownish in real life. I think when I wear it, it makes me look a bit too healthy. So it's a healthy, natural looking red. But usually when I want to go for red, I go for the worn out, sick kind of looking red. So I guess I'll put it in the maybe. Next, we have this box. First, this soft matte lip cream from NYX. I think this color is too light on me. It makes me kind of look washed out. This color was good when I was into ghetto fashion, but now I never wear it, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Next, this Daringly Nude from Maybelline. This is also a very light pink. Honestly, I never wear it. I'm gonna get rid of it. Next, this Revlon Matte Balm in Shameless. Sometimes I do want to use it. I'll keep it in the maybe for now. Here are 3 very similar shades from NYX that I have for some reason. 2 of these are NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick. I'm gonna swatch it and see how I feel. This is the shade Honeymoon. Yeah, it's very brown. This is the shade Embellishment. It's a mauve, purple, brown. Mauve, basically mauve. And this one is NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the shade Brooklyn Thorn. Oh my god. So this is a bit darker and more purple. I'm gonna get rid of these 2 because this formula just it's just unwearable on my very dry, flaky lips. So I'll get rid of those two. Oh, this one's quite dark. I can't see myself wearing it by itself. But maybe it'd be nice in the center of the lip. I'll keep it in the maybe. This is another liquid suede lipstick in the shade Club Hopper. It's very dark. Dark brown red. Oh, I really like the color of it, but I just never wear it. I'm gonna say maybe for now. Tony Moly Cat lipstick. The packaging is so cute. So I did use this lipstick a lot, but back then, when I was into gyaru. But now it's definitely too bright for me. I think I'm gonna get rid of it. Now this Too Cool for School Milk lip tint. This is kind of a similar color. It doesn't even show, and it makes your lip really dry. So I'm gonna get rid of this one. Next we have Revlon lip stain balm in Sweetheart. This one really stains your lips. I'm gonna do it right here. Yes, it's a very fuchsia Barbie pink. I can't see myself wearing this ever, but maybe I should keep one of the bright pinks. Okay, you know what? Let me put the bright pinks together in one section, and I'll keep one of them later. Okay, next I have this lipstick from Tony Moly, I think, in PC01. This color is okay. Oh, it's actually pretty. It's too neon, I think, for me right now. And the formula is pretty bad. It doesn't make my dry lips look good, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. Next, another Revlon matte balm in Mischievous. Yeah, this is a very light orange, too neon. Get rid of it. And this is a sample lipstick from Kat Von D, I think. No, from Urban Decay. Oh, this looks really similar to that purple. So the Revlon's a bit more blue undertone. So I'm gonna get rid of the Urban Decay sample. Next we have this NYX round lipstick in the color Doll. It's a nice healthy red, but I have no, yeah, slightly on the pink side, but I have no attachment to it, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Next, another NYX. So many NYX lip products. This is the Jumbo Lip Pencil in the shade Soft Fuchsia. It's just nude, mauve nude, so the formula is interesting. It's very moisturizing. It's just okay to me. I'm gonna get rid of it. Now, this Tarte lip paint sample in the color Birthday Suit. I think this is another mauve pink. Yeah, no. Liquid lipsticks just don't work on my lips, and I'm not into the color, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Next, this Rimmel Kate lipstick in the shade 107. It looks very bright on camera, but it's a dark berry color in real life. It smells really good, but yeah, I don't ever use that color. Gonna get rid of it. Next, this Wet n Wild dark red lipstick. Oh, it is a nice color. I'm gonna put it with the pile of maybes. Now, NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in the color Cruella. Oh, so bright. It's a bright pinkish red. Yeah, I'm not into it. I'm gonna get rid of it. And now two more Revlon lipsticks. This is in the shade Black Cherry. Yeah, this lipstick is pretty destroyed. Alright, I do like the color. I'm gonna put it with the dark lipstick Mauves. This is in the color Siren. So this is just a very bright orange. I'm probably never gonna reach for it because I have the other 3CE orange lipstick. I think I bought it with the intention of mixing it with other like brown nude-ish lipsticks, but that's just way too much trouble. I never feel like doing that. I'm just too lazy, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. Alright, last box. First we have this nude lip pencil from Essence lip liner. You know, it's very similar to my lip color, a bit more brown. I used to use this a lot. I feel like I can use it with pretty much any of my lipsticks. If I ever want to extend my lip line to make my lips look plumper, I would use this. So I'm gonna keep it and just finish using it up. Next is another Revlon lipstick in the color Mink. Yeah, so this is just pure light brown. I don't think I can use this alone. And I bought it with the intention of mixing it with other super bright lipsticks, such as this purple one. Yeah, no, I'm too lazy for that, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. Next we have another NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the color Vintage. I remember really liking this color. Yeah, it's super pretty. It's a mauve-ish dark red, just like all my other mauve-ish dark reds, so I'm gonna put it in the maybe and compare later. Next, another Revlon matte balm in the color Fierce. This is another brown. It looks red on camera, but it's just brown, slightly darker brown than the Mink. You know, I do use this sometimes, but I don't think it sparks joy. I'm gonna put it in a maybe pile. Next is Innisfree lip gloss in orange. You know, this actually kind of stains your lips into an orangey red. It smells really nice. But yeah, I never wear glossy things. Get rid of it. The Maybelline matte lipstick in Gone Griege. This is a really interesting color. It's a neutral mauve, gray, purple, brown. I think it's the perfect amount of purple and gray and darkness. So I'm gonna keep this one in case I ever want to do a Griege makeup, which I sometimes do in the winter. And lastly, this black Liquid Suede lipstick. Why did I buy this? I think I shot a makeup look. Oh shit. I think I should just keep it in case if the need ever comes up in the future. I'm gonna keep this one because it's very special. So here's my maybe pile. I'm gonna keep one bright pink out of these two. I think I'm gonna keep the Cat Tony Moly one. You know what? But I'm never gonna use this one. It's too neon and it makes my face look more dry for some reason. Should I just get rid of it?
6 hours later.
Alright, I'm gonna get rid of both of these because if I ever do end up wearing them outside, I'm gonna end up looking in the mirror and hating how I look. So I'm never gonna want to reach for them. So getting rid of both of these. Good job, me. And this purple one, you know, I can see myself wearing this along with this nude lip pencil for a monochromatic purple look sometimes. Yeah, I can imagine that. So I'm gonna keep this purple. Alright, now for my various brown, dark reds. Let's go by process of elimination. I think I'm gonna get rid of this color Brooklyn Thorn. because it's just a darker version of the Gone Griege, which I'm keeping. Yeah, if I ever want to wear purple gray lips, I'm probably gonna end up reaching for this one instead of this one. Getting rid of Brooklyn Thorn. Okay, these two are very, very similar. Vintage and Club Hopper. I think I'm gonna keep Vintage because out of these two, I like Vintage a bit better. Vintage is a bit more red and Club Hopper is more brown. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of Club Hopper first. Oh my god, this is so hard. Let me just swatch all the nude browns. Fierce. Wow, so similar. Why do I have all these? You know, Toasted Truffle is it's like a similar vibe to Rose Velvet, which I'm keeping. Actually, no, they're not that similar. They're not similar, but a similar vibe. So they're both just like easy go-to fall and winter colors. So I'm gonna keep Rose Velvet and get rid of Toasted Truffle. Do I want that one? Fierce is also kind of in between Rose Velvet and Toast of New York. Yeah, just a bit darker. Somehow I think this is not saturated enough. It's almost too brown. And it makes me look dead, but not in a worn out way. Dead in a boring way. So I'm gonna get rid of this one. So these are the 3 dark reds I have left. Black Cherry, Black Orchid, and Vintage. I think I used this for the Monster makeup video. I would never wear that alone. And Black Cherry is just, it's a bit more purple. So I'm gonna get rid of this Wet n Wild because the packaging is broken. And broken packaging doesn't bring me joy. And I'm gonna get rid of Black Cherry because it's more purple, but I could just use this purple if I want to make a red more purple. So out of the dark reds, I'm gonna keep Vintage right here because I just really like looking at the color and I can see myself wearing this color with a vintage outfit or something. It's both vampy and vintage, if you know what I mean. It's both rebellious and elegant. Yes, that's the word I'm looking for. So I'm gonna keep this one. Alright, now just the last 2 lipsticks to think about. Oops. Peri Airy Ink Velvet. I do like the color on my lips when I wear it, but to me it just gives me the vibe of a healthy red. And if I want a healthy red, I also have this Toast of New York, which I'm keeping, which looks like that. The Toast of New York is a bit more orangey, and the Peri is a bit more brown, muted red. The formula is a bit weird. Like it does smooth over your lips, so it really covers the dry flakes on your lips, but over time, I think it makes your lip even flakier. And it's kind of slippery, silicone-y, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. Unfortunately, the packaging is so cute. Sandalwood Beige. I think this is the only peachy pink orange color I would have, but if I ever want a peachy orangey vibe, I always end up wearing the 3CE one because I think I just like the way the 3CE makes my complexion look. Maybe I think it's just a bit too light, so I never end up reaching for it. So I'm gonna get rid of Sandalwood Beige. Alright guys, so here is what I'm getting rid of, and here is what I'm keeping. Getting rid of 26 versus keeping 9. And one of them is lip balm, so it doesn't count. 26 versus 8. I'm getting rid of more than three quarters. Yeah, that's pretty good. All of these colors are different from each other. I'm proud of myself.